In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Proton Mail. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can do this smoothly and securely. First, you'll need to navigate to the Proton Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Proton Mail URL, or simply search for Proton Mail and click on the official link. Once you're on the site, log in with your credentials if you haven't already done so. Once you're in your inbox, look for the settings icon, which is usually depicted as a gear or cogwheel. This is where you'll initiate the process to adjust your security settings. Click on this icon to open up more options. After clicking on the settings icon, you'll see a drop-down menu or a side menu depending on the version of Proton Mail you are using. Here, you need to select the option labeled All Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Proton Mail account. Now that you're on the settings page, locate the section titled Account and Password. Click on this option to proceed. This section is crucial as it houses all the core security features, including your two-factor authentication settings. Within the Account and Password section, look for the subsection specifically dedicated to two-factor authentication. This is where you can adjust or disable this feature. You should see a toggle switch next to the two-factor authentication option. To turn off two-factor authentication, simply click on the toggle switch to disable it. When you do this, it's important to understand that you are removing an additional layer of security from your account. Two-factor authentication provides an extra level of protection by requiring not just your password, but also a second piece of information, such as a code sent to your phone to access your account. Turning it off means your account will rely solely on your password for security, so make sure your password is strong and secure. After toggling off the two-factor authentication, you might be prompted to confirm your decision or to enter your password again for security reasons. Follow any additional prompts that appear to finalize the process. And there you have it. You successfully turned off two-factor authentication on your Proton Mail account. Remember, while disabling this feature might make it more convenient to access your account, always be vigilant about your online security. Consider enabling it again if you feel your account might be at risk, or explore other security options Proton Mail offers. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.